insurance money? Everything.
Yeah.
Like what's it? What can I get back?
You know, like, say at these moments.
What? What? Oh, come on, you fucking moron. Come on. What, you want me to say it? Huh?